Now, your local weather authority forecast.
Well, good Saturday evening. I'm meteorologist Heaven Ritchie back with y'all on this evening, and things have started to quiet down in terms of severe weather, but we do have some watches and warnings in effect. A wind advisory for our western counties that is going to take place starting tonight in through Monday evening, and you can see areas to our north, the lighter gray color there, that is a freeze watch. That's going to take place overnight into Monday afternoon. So a couple of things that we are continuing to watch ahead, but in terms of severe weather, this is what we were dealing with. So cold front draped right over top of us, that allowed for those showers and storms to kind of develop and push through. And the good news with that is most of them out of our area, dealing with some severe thunderstorms down near Champaign County into Coles County. But for us, we are continuing to see this rain push off to the east, leaving us under mostly cloudy skies. Some of us still seeing some wraparound precipitation, but nothing severe. Now, what's interesting, you can see exactly where that cold front is starting to push through. So we are 63 degrees in Peru, but notice in Galesburg, we are in the upper 40s. So you can start to see that wave of cold air begin to push through, and we will definitely see the effects of that over the next 48 hours or so. So let's time this out. So this is starting just after 11 o'clock. Some of us still seeing that wraparound precipitation, but what's interesting, notice our winds still coming from the south. So we are still driving in warmer air, but off to our west, notice winds are coming from more the northwest. So that's going to help drive in some of that cooler air overnight into tomorrow. And starting tomorrow morning, some back building precipitation from that low pressure system starting to push in. So we will be seeing periods of dry air tomorrow, and then we will see off and on precipitation throughout the afternoon into the evening before we get into Sunday night into Monday, which we will time that out in terms of snowfall. So it's starting tomorrow. 47 is our daytime high. Now that is a little bit misleading because that is going to take place actually really early in the morning before that cold front continues to push through. So our temperatures will start to drop throughout the day, and our winds will shift from the west 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusts up to 25. So it is going to be a cold wind and a cold rain for your Sunday. So now let's time out that dreaded S word for this time of year. We're talking in terms of snow. This is after midnight on Monday. So Monday morning, notice we are seeing a rain-snow mix, some snow in our northern counties, and that's going to continue to wrap around as that low pressure continues to push off to the northeast, and that's going to allow for some snowfall to fall Monday morning into late morning. So what does that mean in terms of accumulation? Well, our ground temperature is still a little too warm for that to stay, but you could wake up on Monday morning to see some snowfall still kind of there. So unfortunately that is the case for Monday morning. Now we do have a typical roller coaster of trends for Illinois spring. We are all over the place in terms of temperature, and we do have a lot going on in the 7-day forecast. We have rain, we have snow, and we even have some thunderstorms starting to take place Wednesday into Thursday before another cold front pushes in, and then once again we drop those temperatures back for the weekend. So the 80-degree day is unfortunately not in this 7-day forecast, but we are looking at some snow.